how to use Gemma 2 AI. So in order to use that, you can just head over to aistudio.google.com. Now you should be able to see your Google AI Studio. Now in here you can see your run settings when you head over to a new prompt. Just put in here the model. We have in here this Gemma 2. Now in here you can choose in here token count as well as temperature, stop sequence, and also some advanced settings that you can choose from. So in order to use this, you can actually type something like this. Make a 2-paragraph research study about dogs' impacts on human lives, cite sources. Now click on this run right here in order to run the text prompt. Now as you can see, Dix actually computes the time it takes for this particular model to give you the answer that you needed. So in here, you can see this right here. We have now these 2 paragraphs, and you can see that they actually cite some sources. Now in here, the next thing we need to do is we need to verify if these sources are indeed true in order to determine if it's actually really smart as it says. So let's head over and then try to search for this one and search this on your Google in order to see if it actually exists. So we have here the effects of animal-assisted therapy. And as you can see, this sources is indeed correct, and you can head over and then use this for your research if you have some. So that's how you use Gemma 2 AI. Hope we helped.